Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Netflix app not working on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that your Netflix app is no longer working. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you want to go ahead and unplug your TV for about 60 seconds. Leave it unplugged for about 60 seconds and then go ahead and replug it back in. Check and see if that works. Now, if your Netflix app continues to not work, the next thing that you can do is that if you go ahead and hold the Netflix app by clicking on the OK button and holding it and highlighting it, click on View in Play Store, and then go ahead and click on Uninstall. So what this does is that it's going to go ahead and uninstall the Netflix app, at which point you can go ahead and reinstall it. So once you reinstall it, check and see if the Netflix app then works. Now, as a last resort, you can go ahead into the Quick Settings option, and then click on All Settings on the top right, and then scroll down. And then what you're going to do is that you want to go ahead and click on Apps. You want to go ahead and click on Systems, and then you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down, and then click on Restart. So Restart is going to be located right over here, and what that's going to do is a restart of your TV and check and see if that works. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Netflix app not working on your Sony Bravia 7 TV. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.